all over the world. Welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I'm gonna take you to see my succulent garden. At the back of the kitchen, there is a small balcony, and there is this plant. Look, before I transform it into this garden, it looked like this. Yes, that was empty. I had to remove some roots. So I will have more space to put new soil because our baby plants need new soil. So I remove all the roots. And look how much I removed. Later, I will use those to, I use them as a filler in my other pot garden. So I removed the old soil. I put that on another container, and also I'm gonna use that later because I removed some soil, so I have to add new soil. So this is a store-bought organic soil. And now I have this, little plants. They are survivors. I named them like the survivors because I was on a vacation and nobody took care of my plants. I left them outside, and you see there was a huge. On winter time there was a hail, and yeah, so they were like not so beautiful, but they're gonna be becoming beautiful again. But they were survivors. They were the remaining little plants that survived the weather, the harsh weather. So yeah, I'm gonna put them there so they're gonna be back to their natural beauty. Look at those. This kind of plants are really strong. So they've been in a harsh weather of winter and summer. And when I came back, they're still there. They're alive. So I decided to, gather them and make another new succulent garden. I gathered more. And later on my other coming videos, I'm going to show you how also I made my broken pots into a succulent garden. So please watch until the end, and I hope that this will give you inspiration, give you some useful tips that we don't throw those little baby plants. We can still regrow them, and we can still make them into a beautiful garden. And after this, I'm gonna give you an update after a month how they are growing. So please watch until the end and be inspired. Look, these little plants, these green little plants, we used to call them magic rose. And there's another kind of it, which is like tiny ones, tinier than this. They're such a strong plants, like with rain, with no rain, with water, with no water, with sun, with no sun. Look at this. This is so small, but you just put it there and it grows into a massive plant. So yeah, I love it. I love them. They're so, for me, they're so savvy and useful. And they give a distinct, texture to your garden. So yeah, we finished doing our succulent garden in a pot, and look how it looks now. I'm gonna give you an update after 10 days or so, and let's see how are they gonna be looking. Meanwhile, stay tuned and enjoy my other videos. If you check my videos, there's a lot of videos about fairy garden and succulent gardens and a lot more. Once again, thank you so much for watching, friends, ladies and gentlemen. God bless us all.